Hi, so today we're going to work on a really cute project, which is melt and pour soap using a body loofah from the Dollar Tree. And look at these, they're so cute. It's the loofah. So it's a soap on a rope and a loofah. And it says on the packaging to toss these loofahs every 30 days. Well, by then your soap's disintegrated, so it's perfect. And I use, this one's baby powder scent, smells so good. So I will go through all the products that you need and we'll make a few in a couple different varieties. I actually used one with just a round mold. Let's get started. Okay, so let's talk about these. A 4-pack, I took one out, that's at the top, at the Dollar Tree of these loofahs in their minis. But I've actually ordered a wholesale pack on Amazon of minis, and I had to return them. They were so thin. So they're really nice and thick, but they're a nice half palm size. So they fit into silicone molds very, very well. Also, if you can get them out of the package without ruining the package, and you have a round silicone mold, I have one of these. You can make these and fit them right back in the package. What I'd probably do is wrap these in plastic wrap first, and then you can stack the finished ones in there and make a nice little gift for someone, and they have 4 months of soap. So let's talk silicone molds, the ones that you want to use. I would not use a metal mold. I would use silicone just so that you can get it out. The animal one that I'm using, I used for the green frog. It's from Brambleberry. They have nice flat bottoms. That's what I'm looking for. So here's a heart one that I'm going to do. Has more of a flat bottom, close to flat, sits flat. Let's see. Here's another one you could use. That'll be really cute. Those butterflies from a butterfly soap that I did recently. Here's a honey one with a honey scent, will be gorgeous. Another one that's in the mold right now is this daisy. So cute, still warm. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. What you'll need, I will link it down below if you like this one, but any more melt and pour will do. I like this brand. Plus, if anyone knows how to, if you've ever used melt and pour, they usually come in a big chunk in a container. These are cubes. So you just take a few out, weigh them out on your scale for how many ounces you want, and melt them in a microwave safe container. It's so nice. And the ingredients list is very clean. Great product. You get 2 pounds. I think it's $13 with shipping. Anyway, so there's the molds. Another thing you'll need is a melting container. You can use the Dollar Tree ones that I usually use. I prefer this pour spout for this project because you can stick it right in and fill. It's nice. If you don't have any of these, I picked up extra ones at Hobby Lobby for $1.99 a piece. They're really nice. Another, regular cup will do as well. Then if you would like colorant, I'm using mica today. The ones that I'm working on, I'm going to use Crafter's Choice. You can get this from Wholesale Supplies Plus or Arizona Soap Supply. This is Sparkle White with Snow Mica Powder, just to add a little glitter. These little spoons, you can get them anywhere where they sell mica. And this is a light pink. I actually picked this up on Amazon. I will link that below. A spray bottle, you can get this at the Dollar Tree. This is just to fill with rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol just to clean your silicone molds. I'm going to do that right now. Just spray it, let it set. Let's see, fragrance. Fragrance I'm using today is Brambleberry. It's kind of rubbing off. It's called Honeycomb. I love it. It does smell like fresh honeycombs. You can use so many different things. You can use essential oil. Use about maybe 8 drops per bar. I used a fragrance oil picked up on Amazon for the frog, which is baby powder. Such a beautiful scent. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, and I'll melt this. I'm gonna do it in 30-second bursts in the microwave. Doing 2 at once here. We're gonna do them the same color and scent. We're gonna do a pink kitty cat and a pink heart. And we're going to use a brambleberry honey scent. I already have it measured out for 2 bars. We're gonna go ahead and add a scoop of this wonderful sparkly glitter. I mean, look at that. Oh my God, it's too pretty. Actually, I might add 2 scoops just because it's that gorgeous. Okay. This stuff is like, you know, you put the lid on it pretty quick because it'll end up airborne and you'll glitter everywhere. If you're a crafter, then you absolutely know glitter's in your blood. I find glitter in places that I'm like, how did it get there? Okay. This little gadget is actually a resin mixer. If you can tell, it's kind of similar to the sizing of a milk frother for coffee, but it has a silicone tip. So we're going to mix in our color. And all I'm mixing it is in about 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. When you mix in a mica colorant, you want to disperse that in just a little bit of oil. Not a lot of oil because it will oil down your melt and pour soap product. But it helps it so it doesn't have chunks of glitter into your actual soap. Then you pour the oil into that soap. We're at 206 degrees. We don't want to even touch that to pour until it's below 130. Okay, we're at 130, so we can go ahead and stir it up and mix in our colorant and our fragrance. So let's go ahead and do that. These little soap rests from the Dollar Tree are wonderful for this mess. Smells good, looks good, it is ready to pour. So we're not going to put the loofahs in the spots where we're going to fill these yet. We're going to just do a quick first layer. Leave that about, I would say about 1/3 of the way full. Some people just put the loofah in and fill it with the pour spout, but I find with these shaped molds, it might be good for a circle mold. It's hard to capture all the, like the little cat's ears and stuff like that. The loofah might sit in it, you know? So let's go ahead and put this in the heart. So far, so good. Now we're just gonna find a spot and pour. Whoop. Too full. Okay. Pour and push, and it's hot, so you gotta watch. And this is a really good project for children, but the pouring part, I would leave to an adult because, it, like I said, it does get up to, you know, it depends on how many bursts you have to do in the microwave. That was over 200 degrees. We don't want to burn little fingers. So we're gonna go ahead and let that set. It'll take a few hours, and we'll come back, pull them out of the mold, and see how they turned out. So apparently I lost my footage of me taking these out of molds. So let me just go over these really cute shea butter soaps on loofahs. This one is from Michael's, and I love this one because it's so versatile. I've used it for a candle topper as well as these loofah soaps. So that's a nice thing to think about for a gift if you want to do matching items. I did this one. This is using Fruity Rings by Nature's Garden. And it smells identical to Fruit Loops. And here's our cat that we poured in the pink. It's sparkly. It's really pretty. And our heart. They're really a nice project. If you need a quick and easy gift, they're ready to use as soon as they have hardened and are ready to are unmolded. They make an excellent gift. Head to the Dollar Tree, pick up a 4-pack. You have 4 months supply of soap. So I hope you're inspired to make these affordable, adorable soaps. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.